We've had 20,000 supporters. We've had 550 events, and this is just this summer. We've had 5,000 volunteer shifts completed. In Houston, we've had 732. So that means we've had events where 732 people volunteered. That is an amazing number because we're talking summertime in a non-election or maybe election. We can talk all day long, but we're not doing anything. There's no excitement growing. But when they see the momentum, they see us out working, they see us at the different event, Richmond people are talking to people about Battleground Texas, about becoming a Democrat, about voting, or why it's important to us as Democrats that we vote and we encourage voter participation. They will become involved. So one thing that inspires me is that I'm not doing this for me. I'm doing this for one day when my granddaughter comes to Texas. She will not see a Texas where the governor decides that people who do not have coverage, they don't need coverage. She will see people that are working together. She'll see government that actually helps folks. Democrats believe in helping one another. I believe that just because I've reached a distance, I want to go back and help somebody else. So one person helps one person, and then that's what we're doing. We are definitely making a difference. What we wanted you to learn today, we wanted you to get knowledge, comprehension, but we also wanted you to be able to apply those. So I believe we achieved all three of those, because when you leave, someone asks you, who is Battleground Texas? What is Battleground Texas doing? I think you can answer that. If a grassroots organization could elect a president twice, we can use those same grassroots organizing skills and change Texas. Thank you all so much.